percussion friends, it's Mrs. Tasha Morelli here to help you with the next two notes of your scale. Scale means notes that are in order from low to high or high to low. So far you have learned B flat, C, and D. You've played songs on page 7 of your bells and at the top of page 8 on your bells. Towards the bottom of page 8, you are learning two new notes. You are learning the next two higher notes after D. Those notes are E flat and F. If we put all 5 of those notes together, we can make what's called a 5-note B flat scale. Here's the scale going down. You may have noticed that I tend to play my flats with my left hand and my natural notes, the regular letters, with my right hand. I suggest that you do the same, or you could switch back and forth. The most important parts that you need to remember are: do not play regular B next to the C, and do not play regular E in between the D and the F. Both of those notes we're going to use the flats, which are on the upper level here, okay? On song number 19, we see that E flat is on the bottom line. You need to know two things about this E flat. One, it is on the bottom line of your staff. We've been practicing our reading. And number two is that it has a flat sign next to it. That's how you know to play E flat on the upper row here and not to play regular E, okay? Just like the same as we know with B flat, we learn the same thing with E flat. On song number 21, we are learning the note F. F is one higher than E and E flat. It is in the bottom space. That's how we know where that note is. Now, something that's really important that you need to know about flat signs is this. When there's a flat sign next to a letter, next to a note letter, like for instance, in the beginning of song number 20, Country Walk. Song number 20, Country Walk, looks like it has E flat, then E, then D, then C. But it has two E flats. The reason is because each measure box will have the same rule. So once they say E's are flat in this measure box, it lasts until the end of the measure box. So song number 20, Country Walk, starts E flat, D, C. And in the second measure box, both of those notes are B flats. Both of those notes are B flat. So when does the flat rule end? It ends at the end of the measure box, at the measure line or bar line, we call it. All right, boys and girls, practice up your 5-note B flat scale. And I'll see you at your next lesson.